Hey guys, now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at ultra durable, super thin cases for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 and Flip 6. So if you're looking for a case that's going to give you ultimate protection, but add virtually almost nothing to your case, super thin, but we're talking about protective, then you'll want to check out these cases from Pitaka. Let's go and check them out. Now, we reviewed in the channel Pitaka cases in the past. And for those of you who may be new to the Pitaka line, these cases are ultra thin and they're made by aramid fiber that is going to give you a really durable protection, but still not going to add significant weight to the product. And let's face it, with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 becoming thinner and lighter, you'd like to keep it as light as possible. And I have to say that the same thing is probably true for the Flip 6. So take a look at the cases that we have here. So we have right here the actual Fold 6 case. And you can see right here that this is made out of woven. It says woven from aramid fiber, which is a really durable and strong material that's going to protect the case in the event that you drop it, or your phone when you drop it. We then also have over here the Flip 6 case. And this is also going to give you some great protection. But each one of these cases added to your phone the ability to support MagSafe technology. So as you look at the back here, you'll notice that it has this little ring here. And this little ring, if I have a MagSafe device like this one, it just connects it just like that. Now, why would you want something like this? Well, there are a lot of accessories out there that have this MagSafe tech. One of the things that we use in our cars is we have magnetic car mounts so that when we go into the car, we just slap it in like this, and we're set to go. And not only does it attach, but it also charges. So you can see the cases here are super thin. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on my Flip 6. Right? Snap it into place. I'm going to slap the front in. And what you'll notice immediately is that really there's been almost nothing added to the phone. This is super light. It is also very durable, and it's going to give your phone a lot of protection, and it's still not going to, again, add that much thickness, virtually almost nothing, because it's so thin. And the more important part is that you'll be able to have your phone mounted on any MagSafe device. Now, when we take a look at the Fold, they have also really interesting implementation for the Fold, and I'm going to remove the case so you can see how thin this thing is, because this is like super, super thin. Let me go ahead and pop it out. What you'll notice here is, again, ultra, ultra thin. Look at that. Has that MagSafe tech again. Is going to protect your camera module really nicely. And one of the things that they did, which I found interesting, is that they only have a back to them. There's no front protection. And I think it's because the original cases that you had with the Flip, or the Fold in this case, had this frame that were really flimsy and came off really easily. This one doesn't come with anything in the front, but it does bring in that MagSafe tech. Now, also, because it has that MagSafe tech, watch this. So it connects. You'll notice that it made that little sound there, and it's also wireless charging. So this is going to give you the ability, again, to mount your Fold, and then if you'd like to have it, let's say, for example, in the car like this, right, where you basically have it in this mode, using it as a navigation system, you can. On vacation, I carry with me a portable car mount that I just put in the cars when we have the rentals, because I like using my Fold as that navigation system. So this gives you that ability to magnetically charge or wirelessly charge using that MagSafe tech. Over here, you'll notice that the camera module has a significant bump coming out. You can see that right there. That really gives you a lot of camera protection. And then, again, it's going to give you some nice protection going all the way around. Now, for those of you who may be interested in having, one of these little rings here, this is a cool ring. What this does is it gives you the ability to basically have a kickstand and then also kind of like a ring holder, so that if you want to hold your phone in this position. Now, the cool thing about this is that once it attaches to the side here, you do have the ability to position it in this angle. Now, as you open it up, because of the weight distribution, that's one thing that you have to watch out for, that it does tilt. And I have tried rotating it, putting it in a different angle like this, and you can see that as soon as I do it like this, now I can have it in that position. So all you have to do in order to consume media, like if you're going to be watching like a movie, is just make sure you rotate it. Having like this is not going to work. All you do is you rotate it in this angle, and then you're set to go. Also, once again, if you're looking to hold your phone, you could do something like this, and now you can hold it in your phone. And this is solid. It's not going to come off. You can pull it off like that, and it'll definitely remove. So this is something that I also like, that it's removable. So if you want to use this in the car mount solution, like I mentioned to you, you could do it as well. So again, these are 3 products that we're looking at from Pitaka that are available now for your Samsung Galaxy Fold. And for those of you who are saying, you know what, you'd like to have something on the cover of your phone, if you have another case or you picked up the Samsung case, but you're looking for something that has that MagSafe tech, what you could do is just use that cover from your other product with this one and still get that ultra thin experience and the MagSafe tech too. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.